Actually today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of rupees and paise. We are going to learn about addition and subtraction of rupees and paise. Now rupees and paise are added and subtracted just like numbers. Look at page number 98. Okay, rupees and paise are added and subtracted just like other numbers. Now after adding or subtracting, remember to place the dot just before two places from the right. The dot separates the rupees part from the paise part. On the left side of the dot we write the rupees, on the right side of the dot we write the paise. Now look at this, solve the following. Solve the following. Look here now. Rupees 400 plus rupees 500 plus rupees 5. Now we will add here, we write rupees and your paise. Now how many rupees here? 400. 400 rupees. No paise. Put dot, put two zeros. Now here rupees 500. No paise. On the right side of the dot we write paise. On the left side we write the rupees. And last one is rupees 5. Here 5. Here no paise. Now we add this. Now 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5. 5. You have put this dot, 0 is already 0, no paise, all 0. Yeah, 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 5, 9. So the answer is rupees, how many? 905. 905. There is no paise. Rupees 905. Now we will do the next example. Now look at this next example. Rupees 250 paise plus rupees 13.25 paise. Now you write your rupees and in the right side you write paise. First how many rupees here? 2 rupees. And how many paise? Your paise after the dot. 50 paise. This dot separates the rupees from the paise. Now here 13 rupees. 1 tens. 13 rupees. Then put a dot and how many paise? 2, 5, 25 paise. Now add 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget to put the dot here. 2 plus 3, 5. And 1 plus 0, 1. So what is the answer is? Answer is rupees, how many? 15. And how many paise? 25 paise. So this dot separates the rupees from the paise. After this dot is the paise. How many paise? 25 paise. Rupees 15 rupees. Oh, 75. Okay, this is 75. Now 25 got 75. 15 rupees 75 paise. So this dot separates the rupees from the paise. From the after the dot to the right side is the paise and to the left is the rupees. So 15 rupees 75 paise. Now we will look at the next example. Now look. Rupees 39.87 paise plus rupees 169 and 7 paise. You have to add this. Now you write the rupees side, this side. Rupees and this side is the paise. First one how rupees? 39. 1 tens 39. And how many paise? 8, 7. Here rupees 169. Ones, how many ones? 9. Then tens is 6 and 100 is 1. Then how many paise? 7 paise. 7 paise. Now we add this. 7 plus 7, 2 sevens are 14. You write your 4. Add this 1 here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 2 9s are 18. You write here 8. Carry this 1. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. 1, 0, 10. You write here 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is rupees 208. Then put a dot here. After the dot is the paise. How many paise? 94 paise. So this way you do addition. Now we look at the next example. Now look at example D. Rupees 12.69 paise plus rupees 3 and 95 paise plus 16 paise. So now look here. Okay, here we can see this all addition. Okay, rupees 12.69 plus rupees 3.95 paise plus 16 paise. Now write the rupees here. Rupees and this side paise. Now the first one is 12. 12 rupees, how many paise? 69 paise plus 3 rupees 95 paise. 3, then put a dot here, 95 paise. And last one is no rupees, 0 rupees, 0, and how many paise? 1, 6, 16 paise. Now add this. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6, 14. 2, 0, 20. Right here, 0, carry this 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9. 2 9s are 1, 8, 18. You write here 8. Now this one you have to carry here on top of 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 2 3s are 6. Don't forget to put the dot here. Then 1 plus nothing, 1 only. So the answer is 16 rupees 80 paise. Answer is 16 rupees 80 paise. So this dot separates the rupees from the paise. So this is all about addition. Now we learn subtraction of rupees and paise. Now we will do subtractions of rupees and paise. Look at example A. That is on page 98. Okay. Rupees 495 minus rupees 1330 now. There is no paise. You can write only rupees here. Rupees 495 minus how many rupees? 1313. 495 rupees minus 13. Now 5 minus 3, 5, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 4 minus nothing, 4. So the answer is rupees 482. When you subtract 13 from 495, we get 482 rupees. Now we'll do the next example. Now look at example B. Now rupees 93 12 paise minus rupees 12 35 paise. Now rupees paise. 93 rupees minus, don't put a dot. 93 rupees, how many paise? 12 paise minus 12 rupees. 12 rupees, how many paise? 35 paise. Now look here. 2 minus 5. 2 cannot minus 5 because 2 is smaller than 5. You have to borrow from 1. 1, when you take 1, this becomes 0. This becomes 1 to 12. From 5 come to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are 7 now. 0 minus 0 cannot minus 3. You have to borrow from, 3 becomes 2 and you take your 1, this becomes 1, 0, 10. From 3 count it 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 77, and don't forget to put this dot here. Now 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. Now the answer is answer is rupees 80.77 paise. So when you minus 12 rupees 35 from 93 rupees 12 paise, we get 80 rupees 77 paise. Now look at this. Subtract rupees 13.25 paise from rupees 19. Now rupees paise, you have to subtract 13 rupees 25 paise from rupees 19. Now from where you have to subtract? You have to subtract from 19. First write 19. Then how many paise? 0, 0. No paise here. Minus how many? 13 rupees. How many paise? 25 paise. Now subtract. 0 minus 5. 0 can get borrowed from here also 0. You go and borrow from here. When you take 1 from 9, it becomes 9 becomes 8. This becomes 1, 0, 10. From 10 you take 1 from here. This becomes 9 and this becomes 10. Now 5 count into 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget to put this dot. Now 8 minus 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is equal to 5 rupees. How many paise? 75 paise. So when you subtract 13 rupees 25 paise from 19 rupees, we get 5 rupees 75 paise. So I hope you understood how to add and subtract rupees and paise.